Okay, hi Sandrine, it's Diana. This was an orchid that Jackie had brought over. It's so beautiful. I have to pull the pictures. I'm doing a video because I can capture it all because I have them scattered all over on my phone. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is my, I think, grape. Yeah, my grapes. Okay, so I'm gonna have that go all up, but cut it before it gets taller than me or too much taller than me. And this here is my collard greens. I want to learn to cook collard greens. My sister knows how to cook collard greens really good. And this is the thyme, and I'm rooting that also. And here's, from when I did start rooting, and it started to get roots. This is my chives and basil. Okay, and this is blueberry. Okay, that's gonna go in the corner there. And down there is my little plot of earth. I did do this side too a little bit, help out, to get some floros going here. But in the pot, I have chives, and I have oregano, I have thyme, and agrula. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's lettuce. Eric picked that out. I picked the collards out. Everything else. And then roses, yellow roses, a light a white rose, my Mr. Lincoln, and I sent the rose to Stephanie. I had your name under hers, so I gotta resend that. And because Mr. Lincoln rose is the long stem roses. And then this one is the white rose, the little skinny one. But I'm gonna cut them down, so that they can spring up for spring. And then, of course, here's my junkie house. Okay. Yes, don't clean. My little snake plant. I call him a snake plant. Okay. And up here where I still don't clean, which is, this is, gosh, I forgot the name of it. See, this is another one of it. Oh, philodendron, I think. And then, Eddie must have been up here. No, I overwatered these guys here. Okay, so this is the tomato plant, beets, and celery. And I think here, my niece got in here and was putting her hands all in it, and then I realized, oh my God, I had planted seeds. Okay, and then Italian parsley, chives. This is oregano. I think Italian oregano. This is oregano. This is money plant. Jackie brought this one over. She put this one over. There was like two of them, but they wasn't thriving before. They're thriving now. Okay, sorry, that was my hair. And something that I'm rooting. Ooh. I lost everything. I lost it. Okay, here we go. We're back. Okay, and more stuff that I'm rooting. Here's the thyme here. And my basil. This came back really nice and strong. I gotta cut that piece off. But I let them go. And, the stronger ones are the ones that's going to live. This is another plant that Jackie brought over, which is lavender. And then this here was a plant Jackie also brought over. And that is, it was, that Christmas plant that's all red. Okay, but, of course, it died off. I tried to keep them. I kept the roots. And I wanted, because I had Eric, we stopped along the side of a road so I could go down toward where the swamp was. And that's here in Milton, up where we used to live. And I said, I want to get out of my plant. Okay? Okay, so I had him pull over, and I went down and I tried to dig up some ferns because I wanted ferns, always wanted ferns. This is the first time that they're growing, or I have been able to get ferns to grow, and I hope I can get them to stay. I'm going to root them because I want to put them on the balcony on the second floor in the guest bedroom. And then I have to get more cones. So cones like this, okay, that, and then I can plant all of my other herbs. This is radishes that's growing here. And then I think I have cayenne pepper because I don't have enough cones. Cayenne pepper's growing. That's trying to. This is the cayenne. I planted these a while ago, but you know what? I'm getting to the point where I will do something and then stop and then, don't feel like doing anything and not do it. And well, the seeds that I had planted in the water, I had left them. I didn't feel like doing it, so I left it. 2 days later, of course, the water evaporated and the seeds, sort of like died. Okay. Okay. I'll talk to you later. I hope this wasn't too long.